Have you ever heard someone joke, "I'm worth more dead than alive"? Yeah, sounds dark, but it's actually an accounting concept. Net worth. It's just what you own minus what you owe. And for businesses, that's where the balance sheet comes in. Let's break down its main ingredients: assets, liabilities, and equity. So a balance sheet is like a financial selfie of a company. And it all comes down to this golden equation: assets equals liabilities plus equity. Imagine a financial seesaw. On one side, you've got all the stuff a company owns, its assets. On the other, you've got what it owes, liabilities, and what's left for the owners, or equity. Simple, right? If the seesaw doesn't balance, well, you've got a problem. First up, assets. These are anything valuable the business has, like cash, accounts receivable, which is just fancy for money people owe you, and for companies like FICO, even their credit score algorithms. Basically, assets are the shiny stuff that keeps the company going. Next, liabilities, or all the stuff a company has to pay off. Think of it like your monthly bills, but on a way bigger scale. Liabilities are split into two buckets: short-term stuff, like bills due soon, and long-term debt, like loans FICO might use to build cool new software. One's annoying, the other terrifying. And finally, equity, basically the company's value to its owners after paying off debt. It includes contributed capital, which is money from shareholders, and retained earnings, or profits saved over the years to reinvest in the business. It's like choosing to save some of your paycheck instead of blowing it all on takeout. Let's see this in action. Say FICO's assets add up to $1 billion. They owe $300 million and have $700 million in equity. Boom, it balances. $1 billion equals $300 million plus $700 million. That means FICO's in good shape and its shareholders aren't freaking out. Why does this matter? Balance sheets let us peek under the hood to see how a company's really doing. So next time someone cracks a joke about their net worth, just smile and think, yep, balance sheet humor.